Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, friends, wood and plants are the perfect match for garden decoration. Wooden planters give a natural and earthy look to your garden. You can use big wooden boxes for flowers or small wooden pots for herbs. Wooden stand with different leaf levels make your plants look more organized and stylish. The beauty of wood is that it's blend with nature. So when you place plants in wooden planters, the whole garden feels warm and alive. A simple way to decorate your garden is with wooden pathway and wall borders. You can create a small wooden walkway leading to your plants, which looks very charming. Wooden borders around flowers beds give a clean and elegant shapes to the garden. Combination of wood and green plants create a peaceful natural feeling like a little paradise died in your home. Imagine setting in your garden on a wooden bench by plants and flowers. Wooden couches is not only strong but also beautiful for garden decoration. A wooden swing, a rustic wooden table, or simple wooden chair create a cozy corner where you can enjoy tea, read books, or relax with plants all around. The wooden future makes the garden feel like a natural outdoor room. If you have a small space, wooden walls with plants are a perfect idea. You can create a vertical garden using wooden frames, hang small pots of green plants or flowers on the wooden wall. It saves space and also look modern and fresh. Adding lights around the wooden wall make it even more magical at night. It's a simple idea but very stylish for garden decoration. You don't always need expensive things to decorate your garden. Simple wooden crafts can change the